Hey guys, my name is Carlos Jimenez based out of Miami, Florida. I'm an entrepreneur, an investor, and a business developer. Now, first and foremost, I want to thank you for taking time out of your schedule to watch this video. Now, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're tired of having bad credit. So either A, you want to fix your credit, B, you want to build your credit, or C, you want to do both A and B and get your finances together. So for the next couple of minutes, what I'm going to give you guys is a formula. It's a 3-step process that was given to me that helped my credit score boost up over 165 points in my first 90 days in the program. See, step number 1, ladies and gentlemen, is understanding the importance of credit. What I mean by that is very simple. Let me give you some facts, okay? Over 80% of Americans today are living paycheck to paycheck. Most people, most families are 3 to 6 paychecks away from being financially destitute. Many financial experts agree that most financial issues are created by a lack of education and unmanaged spending habits. So you understand that your credit history determines what loans you will qualify for and the interest rates that you will pay. Lenders get your credit history by obtaining your credit score. You'll most likely need to borrow funds from a lender, and this is why your credit score is so important and your history is so important when it comes time to buy that house, buy that car, or start that business that you've been looking to start. So let me give you an illustration of how this affects your daily life. All right? If you take a look at the screen, let's start with the auto loan example. To the left, you have good credit, that's you. To the right, you have bad or no credit, that's your friend. You both walk into the same dealership to buy a $20,000 car. You both get approved for a 5-year finance or a 5-year loan on that car. Now you with good credit gets approved for 6%, which comes out to $387 on your monthly payment. Your friend with the same car with bad credit gets approved for 26% on his interest rate, which comes out to $599 a month. That is a difference of $212 a month for the same car, the same loan, the same time frame. The difference is that you have impeccable credit and your friend has bad or no credit. In a 5-year window, the interest rate being paid with bad credit is well over $12,000 in money. Imagine what you could do with $12,000 back into your pocket in the next 5 years if you just implement a process or a system that will help you fix and build your credit. Now let's look at the mortgage example. You're ready to start a family and you want to buy your first home, a $250,000 loan for a 30-year mortgage. If your credit score, based on the example, is 720 or above, you will get approved for a 5.9% interest rate. The person with a 500 credit score will get approved for a 9.4% interest rate. This is a difference of $700 a month on the same mortgage. It is a $216,000 difference in a 30-year window in interest rates. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, that credit is king, because if you have great credit, you potentially save hundreds of thousands of dollars on a mortgage that you were going to get either way. So now this leads me to step number 2, which is finding the right company. See, ladies and gentlemen, finding the right company is so important because let's face it, most companies out there are going to overpromise and underdeliver. Most companies are going to give you figures and numbers like this. Increase your credit score by 40 points in your first 4 months. And that to me is unacceptable. See, with us, you're going to have access to world-class financial education, training, and wealth management services, along with state-of-the-art financial tools and digital protection to repair and build your credit. See, with us, we're going to fight off all negative items. We're going to help you fight off all your student loans. We're going to get your credentials and put it together with our company to protect your identity, put you into different trade lines that is going to increase your credit score to that tier 1 credit that you've been waiting for. See, ladies and gentlemen, it's very simple math. The better your credit score, the less you pay other people. Now, this leads me to the third and final step, which is called taking action. See, ladies and gentlemen, you can take a look at this video and do absolutely nothing with it and let the opportunity pass you by, or you could get started with us, leave your basic information on the right hand corner and get a free consultation 100% on me and get a phone call from a world-class financial expert that will go over your credit goals to help you increase your credit score and get started. Now remember, we're going to give you access to trade lines like no other company. We're going to fight off negative items. We're going to handle your student loans. And most importantly, we're going to get you results. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Get your free consultation. Let's get your finances where they need to be, and let's get the ball rolling. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk soon.